up, guys? It's Ria back with another video. Today's video is going to be my initial review on this wig. If you guys would like to see more information about this wig, stay tuned and we're gonna get right into the video. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna tell you guys about this wig. I want you guys to know that I bought this wig with my own money. I did not get sponsored, but you know, if the right people looking, you know, hit me up. This is the Outre hair. This is Outre Maximina. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's Maximina. I love this wig. Y'all, look at it. I was trying to go for like a half up, half down type of thing. I love this wig, you guys. Like, I've definitely been seeing like other YouTubers style this wig, and like I was just like, I have to have this wig. Like, I've never did a half up, half down style, but I think I did pretty good. Like, I'm a beginner at this like whole wig slaying stuff, y'all, so like I know like my edge is not right, but I just feel like this is cute. Like, this is it, y'all. Y'all really need this wig for real. And it's a 360 wig, which I did not know until I received it and looked on the box. I'm like, dang. So this is a 360 wig. It says 13 by 6 lace front. Supposed to be transparent lace. I definitely agree. This lace is very thin, and definitely will blend in with your skin. This hair did come with edges, but I didn't really like cut them off or anything. Like, I just kind of like just added it on to the rest of my head. But yeah, guys, like, I love it. Like, what? I am so hyped. Like, I just took some pictures, y'all, so I'm feeling myself a little bit. But I got this color, this wig in the color 1B, and it came with the tag on it. Y'all know the information tag. It definitely has like other colors, like Havana brown. It has a blonde, one with like a mix of blonde and brown, ginger brown. It got a red one, so y'all need to go get this wig. Go get this wig, y'all. My AirPods fell out. It cost a little bit, I ain't gonna lie. I'll put it on the screen how much it costs, but it's worth it. Like, Outre, these synthetic wigs are coming up. Like, you don't need to be spending your money on these, you know, human hair wigs or whatever, just wasting your money, because woo wop the bang, whatever's going on. But if you on a budget, like, this is the one. This is it. Like, this is my first time wearing this wig. I did do a little bit of plucking just because, you know, like, I was going for that half up, half down, so I wanted the wig to be, or to look as natural as possible when I put it up in the ponytail how I have it now. And if you guys like love this style and think I should like do like a video, let me know in the comments what I should do, if I should make a video. Like I said, I'm new to this. I'm not true to this. I'm new to this. But I can show you, you know, for the beginners out there, how to finesse your way to get a good hairstyle. So far, I haven't really been experiencing too much shedding. If it has been shedding, it's because I was like plucking a lot, and you know, obviously when you pluck your hair, it kind of it sheds, obviously. But yeah, like, I haven't really been having a lot of shedding, and I'm pretty surprised because this is like a very curly wig, and baby, it's barely shedding. Like, I am 100% in love with this wig. But yeah, this is kind of like my initial view for this wig, review for this wig. I'll do the update video regardless, because people just be coming on here not showing the wig after a few months. But I'm gonna come back with this wig. I might even like come back when it's like not up in a bun not up in a ponytail. I'm gonna come back when it's like down and I'm wearing it. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't even know why I got my AirPods in. But yeah, guys, this is my initial review. Let me know how you guys like the wig on me. How you like the wig on me? But yeah, like let me know, like if you have the wig, just let me know your experience. If you've had it for a while, how long do you know have you like had it, and how's it been going? I'll definitely keep you guys updated on this hair. And stay tuned, you know, subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel. I will be dropping more videos. I do have more wigs that I ordered that I want to do a review on, so you guys stay tuned, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.